This is the land of Umezalese, a kingdom blessed by her gods, with the ancestors ever ready to answer whenever they are called upon. Feel the emergence of a king, whose decisions and actions brings about this tale. Power, they say, is like a wine. It gets you intoxicated without your consent, and will either make you or marry you.
The gods of our land. Show yourself, coward. You dare to fight the gods of Umezalese. Show yourself! Show yourself, you coward! It is you. You want to stop me from allowing you to take another soul. How dare you? It will not happen, coward.
Yes, it's me, Iroko, the tongue of fire. Wanyikibeya, atakatagwa.
Onwagike gata, onwagike gabo. I will not let you take anyone else. Never. I will fight you.
No one will ever stop my mission. I shall accomplish my mission.
And I will fight you. are you? Show yourself. Show yourself. Your Highness, she delivered the baby boy.
Hey! I want you to calm down. I said you should calm down, Your Highness.
But we lost them immediately after the child's birth. I tried my best to save them, but it was beyond me. Please take out Your Highness, for the gods are wiser than we are.
No! Not another soul!
My brother, please, you have to be strong. I think the gods are wiser than us. Pull yourself together. Let their wills be done.
Did you say let the will of the gods be done?
Yes.
But I just watched my wife die with my son. The son that would have succeeded me after my reign. Is that your will for me as an obedient king and a good servant to his people? Do I deserve that? By the way, what offense have I committed to warrant this punishment at my age and reign?
Your Highness, you do not deserve any of such, but what can we do? We cannot question the gods. We can't.
I will question them. I will. I need to know why they take pleasure in my pains. I need to know. Have I not kept to their own deeds? I have. Even Ini Edo could not arrive on time to save my wife and child. Obiago, I had the opportunity of carrying my son in my palms, but no. The gods wanted to see me cry instead, again. And this is the second time I'm losing my wife and child at birth. The second occurrence, and you are telling me it is the will of the gods. The second time, Obiago. The second time!
My brother, please. Please. I tell you again, pull yourself together. Biko. I wouldn't want you to offend the gods by your utterances. I know you very well. You are a strong and a brave king. You can handle this. And remember, I am your brother, and I'm always here for you. Please. I know it's painful.
Why will the gods allow this to happen again? Is it that they derive pleasure in punishing the royal household? Is it? I thought all this have ended. Why did it happen again? Why? Why?
Because of our land. We did all the sacrifices that was demanded of us. Why would they allow Lolo Kabaka and the innocent child to die? Why?
Mother, please. Please, you need to put yourself together. Wipe away your tears. You have to help Father get over this loss. We did everything we could to avert this, but the gods are wiser than us.
Yes.
Please, Mother, put yourself together, please. Princess Okechi, please help me. And make my father get over this loss, please.
I'll try my best. But we need your mother to be strong. We need her to pull herself together if we must achieve this. Oh, no, Bikono.
What did you hear about? You need to wipe away your tears. You need to put yourself together if you want us to be there for Father. Please, Mother. Please. It's okay. Smile for your daughter, please.
It's okay.
May your days be long.
And you too.
Please permit me to say one thing.
Go ahead, no, go ahead.
Yes. The monkey came out one early morning, looked around, and discovered that all the trees in the forest have disappeared. He laughed and said to himself, one day the herbs will grow again.
Yes!
That is being courageous. We need to be courageous in ourselves.
Exactly.
Courage is what we need now. And as we are going that way, I ask the gods to envelop you with wisdom
He said.
And also ask them to wipe away your tears in no time.
Thank you very much, Ono. And I also pray the gods to bless you all.
Your Majesty, we have come to see how you are faring.
Yes.
Though we know it's not easy to lose a wife and a child at the same time, but we also know that we have a very strong Igwe.
Right? Okay, you are very, very right. A king that dares a lion, even with his eyes closed.
What are you talking about?
Indeed, we are proud of you.
Yes.
We are proud to have you as our king.
Yes, sir.
I thank you, my elders.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I thank you very much. Oh no, you know that you are my backbone. And I, Igwe Obichirozo One of Umwezaleze, I wouldn't have achieved all that I did achieve without you people. Without your support and love which you have given to me.
Yes.
Not only me, to the entire royal family. I thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Majesty.
Yes.
We came for another important issue.
Yes.
We are here to seek your consent to visit Priestess Miodo in her shrine.
Exactly.
We need her to find out from the gods why the second occurrence. Why did they allow the same calamity to befall the royal household?
And Your Majesty, in this situation, you don't need to come with us. All we need from you is your consent to proceed.
Yes. Consent, yes.
Makane follow that you be watching a to put a stitch in time saves 9.
Onubu.
If
I rock up.
Your Majesty, we did all the sacrifices that she demanded of us. Why then we did all this second occurrence? And the gods did not stop them. Your Majesty, she needs to speak to us because we are worried, very worried.
Thank you. Thank you, my elders.
Thank you.
Thank you for the concern. I hereby give you my consent. Go. And I expect good news back. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Greetings, my princesses. Greetings. Ogechi, the princess of Umwezaleze Kingdom. You're welcome.
Thank you. And where is the beauty of the royal household headed? I can see smiles on your face. Thanks to the gods. Olama. Ugobaija Fozo. The golden jewel. Achalu. Hey!
Okay, because stop. Stop flattering me.
I should stop. Okay, I've stopped.
I just want to take a walk around the kingdom. Have a breath of fresh air and maybe see something new.
You need it. But please, do not stay long. And make sure you are very, very careful.
I will.
Where is Lola? I want to see her.
I left her in the hut. I have to run along now before it gets dark or before my father starts looking for me.
No problem. Please take care of yourself.
And you too.
Don't stay long. Please be careful, Lord.
cheerful. You're so excited. What is it?
Yes, I have good news.
You do?
Yes.
Let's hear it then. I sought to know.
Igwe has sent his elders to Mirudo to find out why the second recurrence. And I know that this time around they will come back with an everlasting solution. I know.
Yes. He said, I pray so too. I pray so too, Princess. Do you know that each passing day I live with the fear that all the sacrifices will not avert a future occurrence? I pray that they come home with a lasting solution.
Say, Lolo, Obedia, can you please put your worries to rest? I know that very soon all this will be over. Be cool.
I pray so too. I pray so too. Let me go and check if Obiago has been served his meal.
He should. I told the maids long time ago to do that.
Okay. Let me check all the same. Okay.
Mili buike, 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 mili buike.
Princess, please. We are all alone here and it's not safe for us.
Please, I beg of you, my princess. Let us go back to the palace. Your mother and your father, the Igwe, will be worried if they find out we are here all by ourselves without the guards to protect us.
Where were the guards when my little brother died? He would have called me sister. Where were they when Lolo Kamaka was dying? They were in the palace with different weapons, but they couldn't stop death from taking their lives.
I'm sorry, my princess. We are only worried about your safety. Please forgive us.
Worry for yourselves. The gods have not been fair to my family. They have derived joy in our tears for so long. I need them to help my father. They should give him a son that will succeed him after he's no more. Let them bless my mother with a son.
Obiago. Hey, may the gods of the land forbid. What is it? Ogini, what is it that bothers you, my brother? Talk to me.
Nonem, I am pained and embittered.
Pained and bittered?
Yes.
Why?
Ugoma.
Ugoma. What happened to her? Ogini Melo, talk to me.
She has not bothered to come and see me ever since the death of Lolo Kamaka. It is strange. I have even been to her place over times but met her absence. I even dropped messages with her mother, but till now she has not responded to any of my messages. It's not ordinary.
I cannot speak when the gods have not spoken. Go back to Igwe. Tell him the gods demand patience and time.
Ini Edo, the great mouthpiece of the gods, the stream that swallows man and spirit. Please, as an onion, it will be unfair to our king if you send us back to him without a message from the gods. They need to tell us what to do to end all this. Please.
Yes. After all sacrifices demanded of us, yet Lolo Kamaka died with the child. They have to say something. They have to tell us something. Else, the gods are asking us to go elsewhere and seek for solution.
The gods of Umwezaleze are jealous gods. I need not remind you of that. Go home. Tell Igwe that the gods demand patience and time. But I will continue to plead on his behalf.
Please, Ini Edo, please. Continue to plead on our behalf until they come to our rescue.
Biko,
please.
Biko, mebe, oh.
We shall take our leave.
Milibike! Milibilia! Milibike! Milibilia! Milibike! 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 Milibike!
So, my princess, what brought you to my heart?
You. Ugoma, you brought me to your heart. I decided to come and pay you a royal visit.
Thank you so much, my princess. Why don't you go under the tree? Let's sit down and talk.
There'll be no need for that. Don't worry, I'm fine. I just wanted to be sure you are okay. That's why I came.
Yes, as you can see, my princess, I am very much okay. Easy boy, I wrote them.
You are fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
I wrote the gay.
I wrote them.
Thanks to the gods. So, why haven't you come to pay us a visit? Eh? This is unlike you, Goma. Why?
My princess, to be honest with you, I have been so busy lately in the farm. Izuoku, I'm sorry for that.
Farm. Ugoma. Farm.
Yes, my princess. Farm. Orokare. Izuoku.
Didn't you hear about the death of Lolo Biamaka? Eh? You didn't even bother to pay us a condolence visit. Ugoma, this is not like you.
My princess, I am sorry for that. Eh? Like I said earlier, I have been so busy with farm work. Orokare. I'm awesome. But don't worry. I will come and see you people.
Is that a promise?
Yes, I will come.
And Obiago, what happened? You've not even bothered to see him. You've not even responded to all his messages. Ugoma, why? Why?
My princess, I am sorry for that. Okay, see what will happen now. As soon as I finish cooking, I will come to the palace and see him. Just tell him that. My food is on fire. After cooking, I will just come and see him. You know.
Is that a promise?
Yes, I will come. Izuoku.
Ugoma.
My princess.
I want you to know that my brother Obiago loves you. He loves you so much. And don't forget that you both are betrothed. Yes.
Yes, you're right. We are. Okay, see what will happen. As soon as I finish cooking, I will just come straight to the palace. Izuoku, I will come to the palace.
Is that a promise?
I will come. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me run.
All right.
I'll be waiting for you.
No problem, my princess. I will come.
I will be waiting for you.
I will come.
All right, let me go.
Dalo. I will come to the palace. People want me to come to the palace. Go no di men salaka. Dalo.
It's my head off. Why would they tell us that the gods are silent and we should wait? Wait for who?
Onubu.
Okolo.
Onubu.
Okolo.
Onubu, this is too much for you.
Okay, is it when everyone is dead? Listen to me.
Onubu, this is too much for you.
Okolo.
Igwe. Oh no.
Okolo, to go where you?
Oh no, please. Let me see this boy. What?
You're always calling me boy. I will deal with you. I will show you what I'm made of. Okolo.
I make it another. I say what?
Adanem, did you see her? Eh?
Yes, I saw her.
Hey. How is she? What was she doing when you got there? Is she okay? Why hasn't she come to see me?
What is it? Am I Ugoma?
I will you know how consider them.
How many questions will I answer at a time?
Just answer all and gladden my heart. Make be mama.
I saw her. She said she has been busy with farm work, but she promised to come after cooking. I hope I can now drink water and keep cup.
Don't get provoked. You're supposed to know how, I am your brother. You're supposed to know now.
Am I not trying? Will I use rope to drag her and come?
Try harder. You know what to talk to her.
I want to go and see the queen because happen my car.
Let's go together. My queen. Why is your face like this? Did anybody provoke you? Tell me who that person is and I will tear him or her apart and tell that person why I am called Obiago of Umweza led the kingdom. Cool?
My queen, talk to us. Is it our brother the king?
Is it not Olama? Olama is nowhere to be found. Olama left this place for a while now and she has not returned. I'm worried.
No, I saw her. I saw her going out with her mates and she promised she will not be long.
My queen, did you hear her? So you have to worry less and brighten up this face. I hate it when I see your face like this.
But I'm really worried. What if the father asks after her and I cannot give a satisfactory answer of her whereabouts?
My queen.
He'll be angry.
My queen. Calm your nerves. Olama is no longer a kid and she knows her ways around this kingdom.
Yes.
And the gods will always protect their own. My queen. This is nothing to worry about.
I hope nothing bad happens to her.
Nothing will happen to her.
My queen, can you not cheer up for us? Let me have that beautiful smile on your face now.
It's okay, dear. It's okay.
Nothing will happen to her.
Nothing at all.
Thank you. Get them some seats.
What about it?
Fear not, for I am harmless. I am Obinna, the son of Mokuku, in Amefila Kingdom.
Obinna.
Yes, Obinna.
Nice name. I am Olama, the princess of Umwezale's kingdom.
We ought to befit you, beautiful damsel. Indeed, you Olama, the golden egg.
So what are you doing here, all alone in this forest, playing your drum with your angelic, melodious voice?
I came out here to catch a breath of some fresh air because I had a lot of troubles and worries at home.
Same with me. I came here to catch a breath of some fresh air. Plenty troubles and anguish in the kingdom. I don't know why the gods are silent.
No, my princess. The gods are wiser than us. They are not silent. Sometimes silence is the best answer to some miseries. Do you mind listening to my drums?
I'm sorry, my princess, but we need to go back home. And my Majesty must be worried by now.
And they will punish us for allowing you to stay out this long. Please, let's go. Besides, he is just a stranger whom you don't know. I'm sorry, my princess. Forgive my manners.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Sorry about that. Please forgive me. I would love to listen to the sound of your drum.
You are welcome.
No. It's not head off.
That the gods keep silent.
How will they tell me that the gods said
we should wait?
Every time gods
we should wait. Wait for who?
The point is she has to speak to us.
Until everyone is there, is that when they will come up?
The gods should speak.
Yeah, they should say something. They should say something.
It's okay. Calm down. Calm down, my chiefs. Calm down. You see, there's no way we can fight the gods because they have refused to talk. We can't fight them. Let us give them small time again. They will talk.
With all due respect, time is what we do not have anymore. We have lost so much to still continue being silent.
Yes.
If our gods will not talk to us, we will seek help from gods of other kingdoms.
My prince, I support you. I support you. It's a very easy thing. We should seek help elsewhere. All the gods must not be silent on this. If no one will accompany me, I can go alone to do the inquiries. Yes, I know very well that my prince, he can come with me.
Onubu, will you shut up your mouth? If you don't know what to say, your words almost put us in trouble at Mirido's shrine. But let me ask you, why are you talking like a child?
Okolo, ntwaya kebe, ifue. Okolo, don't try me. Don't try me. You are indirectly calling me a child.
Yeah, you see.
Hey! He who sticks his finger in a pot of body cold. Expect nothing.
Okolo, be careful, it's not insult. Both of you, shut up.
Shut up!
Keep quiet and behave yourself before the king.
I know how to get you.
Onubu,
I'm sorry.
Respect yourself.
I'm sorry.
What is wrong with both of you? Huh? We have a pressing issue here that needs an urgent attention, and you are here arguing unnecessarily.
Is that why you call me? Call me a child?
Keep quiet when I'm talking to you. Don't talk.
I'm sorry, Onubu.
I'm
sorry, Onubu. Don't mind this boy.
My friends.
Okay.
No.
Let us wait as Ini advised. I believe in her words. Besides, the gods are jealous. They don't forgive those who see them as powerless. You know that. Or unable to answer to our plight. They don't. So we should be very careful with our utterances. Very, very careful. Very important.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Onowu. I have heard all of you. You have spoken well. But we will have to wait as Mirudo advised. That is my decision.
Greetings, Father.
Princess, you kept me worried. Why did you stay so long?
Forgive me, Father. I met a new friend today. He was so nice to me. He even played his beautiful drum to lighten my mood.
A new friend?
Yes, Father.
This one that played the drum sounds like a man. I don't know. Where is he from and who is he? I need to know him.
Father, you worry too much. You'll get to meet him soon. The meeting with the elders and Mirudo, how did it go? Was there any answer?
My daughter, the gods are silent.
Silent?
Yes,
Why?
they are silent.
What could be the problem? She promised my sister Ogechi that she will come. It is exactly 2 days now, yet I've not set my eyes on her. She promised to come, but she never did. Something in me tells me that she has been in their house all the time I visited. But she's always avoided me. But why? What wrong did I do, Goma? How can you cut off what we shared within a twinkle of an eye? No, it can't be true. I guess she will come around. Yes, she will come to see me. I believe that.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Yes, I did.
I hope all is well.
That's no problem.
Okay.
My beautiful love. The heart of the king. I need you.
Your Highness, but
No. See, your husband needs you, and it is your duty to see to his request. My heart, the most beautiful. Sorry?
My queen.
Gods of our land, forgive me. I don't want to die. I am not safe. What if I get pregnant? I might die at childbirth like Ukamaka and Ukwedia. No. No. I can't take such risk when there is no solution to the mysterious death at childbirth. I don't want to die yet. I need to take this so that I don't conceive.
Obiago.
Hey, my love.
What are you doing here all alone?
Waiting for you, of course, my love. My love. Why have you decided to punish me this way? What joy do you derive from making me go through pains? I have hungered and I have thirsted for your love that gladdens my heart. Why did you choose to turn your back on me? If Nanyam, I am here to see you. Biko.
Obiago, the truth is that I do not want to die.
Die?
Yes.
Who wants to kill you? Has anybody threatened you? Or is anybody threatening you? I will tear that person apart. I will break that person into two. In this kingdom. Through this one this way.
Obiago, the same thing that killed Lolo, your brother's wife. The same thing that killed the Igwe's wife at childbirth. The Igwe is your elder brother and you know it. And the same thing surely burns in your blood. You know, go?
My love, why are you talking like this? Why are you saying things like this? Have you forgotten that Lolo Obidia is still very much alive and hearty?
Yes, she is. And it's only the gods that knows why they kept her alive up to this time. Maybe it's because she has not been able to give birth to another child after Olama. Or, I don't know.
Chiroguri Kanjogo. So you actually want to get married to me?
Yes.
Then after getting married to me, I will get pregnant and bear you a child. Then after giving birth, I will die. Is that what you want from me?
My love, stop saying this thing you're saying. Stop talking like this. You will not die. Nothing will happen to you. I'm telling you.
Obiago, I am begging you in the name of our gods. I do not want to die. Go out there and look for another maiden.
I don't want another maiden. No. I don't want another maiden. Listen to me. You will not die. And I will love you forever. Ugoma, please, just let me tell you one more thing before I go. Please.
I still do not understand you, Oka.
What I am saying is that if the Igwe dies now, will Obiago succeed him? Or will you be the one to sit on the throne? I know you are wise. You will rule well.
I can't believe you're the one saying all this. Oka, let me ask you. Are you wishing our king dead or what?
Huh? I am not wishing him dead. But what he's passing through is capable of killing a man. Don't be surprised. We wake up one morning and hear that Igwe Obitiruzo one of Umualaeze has died due to high fever.
Died what? Mbano. It's not possible.
What is wrong with you, no? You better grow up and begin to prepare yourself before it's too late. Don't come and get lost when you finally hear the news. I have spoken the truth. I am leaving.
I am telling you my mind. Let us get a new wife for the king that will bear him an heir to the throne.
Yeah. Obiago.
Huh?
What did you just say?
You heard me.
That we should get the Igwe, our brother, another wife.
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
Is there anything wrong with that?
How? At this point, you should be talking about how to solve the problem in the palace and not getting another wife.
We should start from somewhere. We'll be taking care of the problem in the palace.
Hey, our princess. Anya ụtụtụ anyị ugogba iji afụ ụzọ nwanyị mara mma. The princess of Umezaleze kingdom.
All hail the princess of Umezaleze Anezes.
Oh yeah, no. Where are you coming from without your mates?
Oh, I took a walk around the kingdom. I needed fresh air.
Without anybody attending to you? Not a maid, not a guard to accompany you?
But I'm no longer a child. I can take good care of myself.
Olama, we know that very well, but we need you each time you're going out. Go with either your maids or your guards.
Olama, you know you are the only eye we have. The only thing, please, don't let your father hear that you went out without a palace maid.
Okay, fine. I promise to always go out with either maids or guards.
Good. That's good. The princess of Umwezaleze, Anezeze. The princess of Umwezaleze, Anezeze.
Oh, more.
Adania. Oh, Biko, we can't afford this risk anymore. Don't go out all alone anymore. Biko.
Princess, do you know that Obiagu here was suggesting to me that we should allow your father take another wife?
Okwojo.
Naginime.
Okwojo. Is it the best suggestion?
How can you even think of that? With what is on ground? How can you think of... Okay, you want a new wife to come in here and die at childbirth. Adeze. What do you think people will say?
Adeze.
Zoya!
Adeze. Somadi na bafa. Ikadi soge. Eh? We can't afford to keep quiet and... Bikon. My brother has to take another wife. I will pay him an heir. Anyway, I don't blame you women. You don't understand. You won't understand. In fact, you do not understand.
You are the one that does not understand. What are you saying? We should bring a new wife into this palace to die at childbirth so that the villagers will laugh at us. What do you think will be the fate of this royal home?
Oh, Adeze. Is that the way you're saying it?
She's not saying another woman will die. What we are saying is that they should solve the problem at hand.
First,
exactly my point. We'll be solving the problem while we get another wife for the king. Yes.
Bia Obiagu. As you can see, she's just coming back. She needs to rest. You can stay here all alone.
I am not even taking you into consideration. I will do it my own. I will tell you why I am called Obiago, the prince of Umwezaleze and Ezeze. I will do it on my own.
Hey. Honestly, I am scared. I don't want to lose my mother.
You will not lose her. We will not lose her. She will not die. But what do we do? What if your father keeps insisting that she spend every night with her? Just to give him a child. What do we do? I'm confused though.
I don't even know what to think. My father needs her as his wife. I understand, but not without solving the problem at hand. If she gets pregnant, she might die in the process.
God forbid. Maybe God forbid. She will not die. I know that we need a wife to give your father an heir to the throne. But I don't want us to lose any other person at childbirth. Not even your mother. Hey, Mba. What's Lolo? Ha. Oh, Mama. What do we do? I'm confused.
Nkechi, my sister, I don't know.
Hey.
But definitely not my mother's head. Ivana.
May the gods forbid.
May the gods forbid.
I'd rather have her alive than hidden to my father's demand and dying in the process. My father and the Dikeh should do something and very fast to stop all this rubbish before it gets worse.
Is it get worse? It's already worse. Is there any other condition better than what we are in? Atolo ajemwanwo, atolo ejemwanwo. Which other worse condition are you talking about? Ha! Mirudo should say something. No. Mirudo should say something. Nini na la bakeba. You see, the gods are not speaking.
Your Majesty, please, I do not want you to misunderstand me. You confided in me because of the trust you have in me.
Yes.
Because Namsi ni here jamo onye mara ifebu.
Onye ga-ebu ụzọ chọpụta ihe mebiri emebi tupu ọ chọba onye mebiri. Onye ga-atụfu ihe ya kwuru karịa ịtụfu ihe onwe ya. Your Majesty.
A stitch in time saves time. Ka were ike n'ụtụtụ wee chụba ewu ojii tupu chie. Your Majesty, get a wife. Get a wife. A maiden that will bear you a son and heir to the throne. We need to keep trying and not to wait on the gods to speak. No. Oh no, Majesty. I have thought about this. Yes, I have. But you see, the problem is that nobody in this kingdom will agree to give me his or her daughter's hands in marriage. You saw what we went through before Okamaka was given to me to marry.
Of course.
You saw that. And at the end of the day, the affairs came to pass. So you see, I cannot ask for any other maiden's hand in marriage in this kingdom until the gods speak.
Your Majesty,
I disagree with you. We don't need to wait on the gods. We need to make a move. No man ever plans to fail, but the problem with man is that he fails to plan. I can go to our neighboring village or a bit far from ours and seek for a wife for you. Your Majesty, all you need to do is to give me go ahead and I'll get you a beautiful maiden as a bride. Your Majesty, you're not saying anything.
Well, no. You can go ahead.
I pray that our ancestors help you to succeed.
He said,
Your Majesty, may you live long. May your reign last for eternity. I will go and bring you a thunderous and overwhelming feedback. Trust me.
I'll be back.
gods of my land? What brings tears to the beautiful face of my sister? Please talk to me, Okechi. The princess of Umwezale is the kingdom. The only daughter of my late father. What is the problem?
Your Highness.
Yes.
The gods has finally taken away my morning joy. I don't know why they marry at the sight of our tears. Why?
Calm down. Please calm down. Calm down and talk to me. Who dares touch the lion's tail? Who dares to marry over my sister's happiness? Tell me, because I will use that person as food to the gods.
The gods? Yes, the gods!
What? The gods?
Yes, Your Highness.
How?
They finally taken the only thing that gives me joy. Akajiaku just broke his ties with me. He said I should consider whatever we had as past. Your Highness, he has left me. I'm all alone.
No. Why? Why would he break up the ties? You were betrothed to him now. Why would he just wake up now and break up the ties? Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
I need to see him. Obiago, you don't look happy. What is the problem?
Obiago, what is it?
Obiago, what is the problem? Talk to me, my brother.
Obiago, what is it?
Guma just broke her tie.
No, not you again. No. Why? Why are the gods so silent over issues concerning my family? Akajiaku just broke his ties with your sister. And now yours.
Is it true that he broke his ties with you?
Yes, he did. I guess the gods are now happy. I guess the gods are now happy.
Your Majesty, can't you see it? We are gradually losing everything, and the gods have refused to speak. They have refused to speak. This is the height of it. We cannot fold our hands and watch our lives go out of us. We can't. They are breaking up the ties because they are scared. They believe death is hovering over us and that they will die if they marry us. Your Majesty, you have to act fast before I do something everybody will regret.
Calm down. I just sent my elders in council to Mirudo. Mirudo promised that things will be alright very soon. Please calm down.
When, Your Highness? Probably when we are all dead. That's when they will do something. When?
No, okay, no. Nothing will happen to us. I will see to the end of this issue. Please, calm down. Calm down. Please, calm down. Calm down.
My princess, you know you're too beautiful. I love you.
I love you too.
No! I will not let this happen.
fight.
Iba makana ke panu meju. Aya obiam no obiam no me. Aya na mo obiam no me. Aya.
Please, would you permit me to go and ease myself?
You can go. I'll be waiting for you.
Olamma, why do you want to dig your own grave? You must not see him again.
No!
No. Great priestess, please don't ask me not to see him again. He's the love of my life.
You should go home immediately.
No! No!
I repeat, do not see him. Go home now.
Great priestess, where are you?
No! No! No!
Please, don't ask me not to see him again. He's the love of my life. I love him, please. Going anywhere. I will stay here. He asked me to wait for him. I will stay here and wait for him. Obinna. Obinna. Obinna, where are you?
I am right behind you.
My love.
My princess.
She asked me to stay away from you. Please, I don't want to lose you, please.
You will not lose me. And nobody will come between our love. But you have to go home now. Your presence is needed at the palace.
My love.
Yes,
Please,
my princess.
Please come with me. I want to introduce you to my father. Please. Please don't say no. Come with me. I love you.
I am with you, my princess. And my presence is always with you. But you have to go home now. You have to go, my princess.
Why me? Why me? Why me? Why can't Major? Who did I offend? Why would you allow Akaja Kuturi, they call me like this before my mates. Why? Why? What if am I not beautiful enough? Hey! Mama! This is so much for me to bear. Please help me. Help me. Help me hear my cry from the land of the dead and help your daughter. Don't know my God, come go. I'm tired. From one problem to another. From one calamity to another. Hey.
Where could she be? Where?
Hey, servant of Ini Edo, to what do we owe this visit?
You have to stop her! Stop the princess from seeing him! She is digging her own grave!
Who could he be? Who wants our daughter dead? Who wants the only eye that the gods gave to us? Who wants her dead? Hey, no. Your Highness, please. Get the guards to go search for my daughter.
Guards!
Let them go and look for her.
Highness, go around the kingdom and fetch me the princess right now. You will not come back here without her. Move it!
Hey.
What is this lady up to? And young lady, where do you think you're coming from? And who is that young man you have been going out with that the servant of Ini Edo came here to report? I said, who is he?
I'm sorry, Father. His name is Obinna. Father, I love him.
Will you shut your trap? How dare you talk about love in my presence? What do you know about love?
Please, I beg of you. Don't be quick to anger, please. You know she's only but a child. I will talk to her. Please.
Talk to your daughter, woman.
I will.
I have enough worries already. I won't take any, not even from my own daughter. Now listen, you. From this day, I ban you from leaving this palace without my consent. Have I made myself clear? Have I?
Yes, okay, Father. I'll talk to her. It's okay.
Small. Hey, my daughter.